We're now going to see how we can adjust the display and text settings that are displayed on the iPad screen. I'm going to open Settings and scroll down to Display and Brightness. Okay, the first option we have is Text Size. If I tap that, with this control, what I can do is set the iPad's text a little bit smaller. You can already see it being adjusted here in the left column. The text is smaller. Or, if I wanted, I can also move it to make it larger. I'll do that with my finger. And there you go. Now you can see. The text becomes larger everywhere on the iPad screen. So if you're having trouble reading, it's a good option to increase your text size here. For now, I'm going to move the text size to about halfway, which is where it's normally set. Well, now, you also have an option called Bold Text. So, what exactly will bold text do? By turning it on, you'll see that it simply changes all of the app fonts, meaning that changes the text styling to bold, so every single letter will look thicker. I'll set it back to off. Then, you'll see there's an option here that's called Liquid Glass. Liquid Glass is a display option for the iPad screen, where you can see a lot of transparency through the options. Right now mine is set to clear. That's why you can see there's a lot of transparency. If I now switch it to tinted, you'll see that the icons become a little more legible. Personally, I prefer this, tinted mode, so I'll keep it that way for now. I will go back quickly to the previous screen. Now, if you have an iPad that is compatible with this option, it's not every iPad that's supported a little further down. You will also have, in the display zoom option, a setting called More Space. So here we can clearly see that, well, it's really a little hard to see from here, but if I tap on More Space, what it will do is it will shrink pretty much everything a little bit so you can have even more space and be able to put more applications on the home screen, stuff like that. So it will reduce the size of many things and make everything just a little bit smaller. If you have difficulty reading, I would recommend leaving this at default. I do that myself. So, these are the options to manage your text and the various display options on your iPad.